Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the non-lethal badge in Battle Glide. To earn this special badge, your primary goal is to complete missions without using any lethal force. This means you must avoid all guns and sharp weapons, relying solely on non-lethal takedowns. Your objective is to achieve a perfect 100% score in the designated non-lethal missions, which requires careful planning and execution. Mastering non-lethal takedowns is crucial. You'll primarily use your fists to incapacitate enemies, delivering impact damage. When you successfully perform a non-lethal takedown, a distinct purple mark will appear, confirming your action. Remember to approach enemies stealthily to make these takedowns easier and to avoid being detected, which can compromise your mission and score. To maximize your score and secure that badge, hiding incapacitated enemy bodies is essential. This action grants you valuable extra points. It's critical that no other enemies discover any bodies, whether hidden or not, as this can negatively impact your score. Strive to complete the entire mission without raising any alarms or being detected, as stealth is key to achieving the highest possible score. Achieving the non-lethal badge requires patience and persistence. If you accidentally use a lethal weapon or are detected, it's often best to restart the mission to preserve your non-lethal status. Practice your non-lethal takedowns and stealth approaches to become more efficient. With dedication, you will master the art of non-lethal combat and earn your badge in Battle Glide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.